the hair extensions normally comes in straight, but are you interested in this hair extensions in the beautiful waves, loose waves? So and now today we're going to tell you how we make those waves. So you can see that the hairs are, we use the pep line to work with those curls of the hair together. And the next process, we'll take those pipes and the hairs into our perming machine. After we make these curls ready, and now we'll go to this oven to make the curl done. There are so many factories that use the chemical liquids on the hair to make the perm. But in order to get less damage, we'll use the way that's in this oven. We put the hairs inside. We use the hand temperature and the pressures to make the hair done with the perms. It is healthier. It will cause less damage as well. So after we put this hair inside, we will be finishing this.